Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality a web 2.0 backlink. So the website name is website 2.me. So this is a website URL and this is the dashboard. So before the started we can resolve something about that website. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 74 and according to Moch the domain authority is 55 and the spam score is 49%. So this is a quite high. So if this site is considerable for you, so you can create your backlink, either you can ignore. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 1.28.9k monthly visits and mostly traffic from India, Philippines, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you're new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you can click on the create my website now. And there is a multiple option, but you can proceed with a free start for free. And again you can choose a free option. In free option you get a completely free website, 5 website pages and 500 storage, basic web feature, online store 3 products. So this is the feature on free account. So you can click on the start for free and there you can add your name. So make sure you can use your company name, because if which name you can consider, your URL should be created for your given name. DML training, there you can put your email address, there you can add your username and you can choose your password, and after that you can click on the sign up button. Once you guys will complete these things, so then after that the site will send you a verification email. So okay guys, I received a verification email, so you can click on this email, this URL, and you can activate your profile. A verification email might take a couple of seconds to you can receive on your Gmail box, so you can wait, and then after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition and you can click on the submit button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So you can see this is the your web 2.0 dashboard, and there is a manage sections. So optimization is very simple on this site. So you can see this is your brand name. So there you can add your, so start optimizing your content. So simply let me start with my home page. So achieve your goals with, so there we can add this, and this is the subtitle if you're wanting, so you can add your subtitle. I'm just replicating my website only for the creating this video, but the your case you are generating, you are creating, if you are creating a web 2.0 backlink, make sure you can create a fresh content. And if you're wanting, so you can hyperlink in your targeted keyword. So this is the my targeted keyword. Targeted keyword is not, this is the brand name, and you can click on the web address. There you can put your website URL, and if you're wanting to open in new tab, so you can check this box. Either you can click on the save button, and if you're wanting, so you can make it bold. So This is the two custom buttons. If you're wanting, so you can remove, either you can customize your buttons. So suppose that there I'm wanting to write visit website, and there I can insert my website URL. Again, you can click on the web address. There you can put your website URL, and you can click on the open in the new tab. So this is the contact us page. So you can add your contact page. Click on this, and so your first paragraph, your first section is ready. If you're wanting, so you can replace your emails. So suppose I'm wanting to replace emails with and this is the next section. If you're wanting, so you can optimize, either there is an option to you can delete, and if you're wanting to add any custom sections, so there is a plus section button. You can click on this, and you can add anything what are you wanting. So there is a multiple option like about, so there is a services, so services options. So like I'm wanting this section to add in this, so I have added this section, and I'm wanting to delete this, and this is the testimonial. If you wanting, so you can keep. For my case, this is the not important for me, so that's why I'm going to delete. And this is the your address, so there you can add your address. So suppose that this is my address, gully number 504, and you can put it your address over there. This is the contact section. There you can add your contact details like your numbers, and there you can add your email address. And if you're wanting, so you can customize your social links. So you can click on the edit button, and you can see this is there you can put your social details. DML training, I can put it over there, and Twitter I don't have. Instagram, save, and the publish button if we wanting. So yeah, YouTube, I can add YouTube, and you can click on the save and publish. And now that we can optimize our services, so let me add backlinks, profile creation sites list. If you're wanting, so if you're wanting to remove your headings, your subheadings, so you can uncheck this from there. And if you're wanting, so you can add your short description. So let me ask, generate summary of this content. Generate short summary of this content. So let me just, I can go to generate a short description for this. Keep short, keep to short. Okay, so let me use this visibility, and I can put it over there. and you can wanting, so you can add your profile image, your banner image, so you can change from there, and you can insert your website, your page URL over there. So this is the button, and the button you can click on the web address, you can add your website URL, and you can click on the open next tab, open a next tab, link to alt text, and the same thing you can follow to, you can create your multiple services or anything you can create according to your requirement. There is a option to, you can add button section, you can optimize, you can add many things. Okay, so this, and if you wanting to duplicate any section, so there is a option to, you can clone your section and you can create your backlink. So let me follow the social bookmarking sites list, and I can remove subtitles, copy the description, and you can click on the fit. That should be look like proper image, and the next is article submission sites. So you guys can see, this is my website, and this is the backlink pages I have created. So there I have added a proper lists, like this is the article submission sites. These sites are verified links, so you can, if you wanting, so you can use directly from my website, and this is the very time saving for you. So you guys can see, I have successfully optimized my web 2.0 backlinks, so you can see. And if you wanting, so you can also upload your business logo on this, so you can click on this and you can upload your logo. And while uploading anything, make sure you can provide your name, your logo name. So DML, just I can use this, and you are able to upload your logo. So I have uploaded, successfully uploaded logo. And if you're wanting to optimize your menus, so you can click on your menu section, and if you're wanting to edit, either a delete, either if you're wanting to move any section, so there is an option to, you can optimize these things. And you can see web forms, online stores, sites, files, web performance. This is the settings. And once you guys will complete your all things, all details, then after that you can click on the publish button, and you can see this is your web 2.0 backlink landing page URL. And I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So as you can see, this is a instant approved backlink, and I can show you this is a do follow or no follow backlink. So guys, this is a 100% no follow backlink. But the thing is, we have created a contextual, a high quality web 2.0 backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can gonna to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys kind of wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.